They did. Through them, they did.
Not one of your crew. Is she? Come on! Yeah, what? You believe? Just believe.
Oh. Yes, you to believe in her, in your crew, in this family. One of the persons who helped you.
I'm sorry. Do you even know why they sing? It's not my place to ask. From me, more people will die. You think I care? Of course you can.
Do you really mean to turn our home into an abomination so that we can make a suicidal attempt at passing through Reaver space?
Yes.
There's a lot of fine ways to die. I ain't waiting for the Alliance to choose mine. If I hear a word out of any of you that ain't helping me out or taking your leave, I will shoot you down.
You turned Serenity, okay, into a river ship. Now inspecting the ship. It's okay.
Anything's wrong, Sandy's not reading it.
Okay. So you can live on that planet? An empty tower?
Entry wounds, fractures.
Poison.
Gas.
They just lay down.
Like they slept?
She's starting to damage my calm.
Jane.
She's right. Everybody's dead.
Oh, the movement of the camera like that, and again, it's just one shot.
It's the Pax.
The
The
what?
G23 Paxilon hydrochloride that we added to the air process was supposed to calm the population. The people here stopped fighting, and then they stopped everything else.
You did that?
There's 30 million people here, and they all just let themselves die. About 1/10 of the population had the opposite reaction to the Pax.
The reverse? You made the reverse? Yes. And keep it. Keep it, keep it, keep it. People, they need to know. She met Kiss Parliament members. She said she's alright, like, that's it, I'm at peace.
Receipt.
Thank you.
Somebody has to speak for these people.
Thank you. All of this planet. And also for the reverse.
Shepard used to tell me, can't do something smart. Do something right. Mr. Universe, we have the equipment to evaluate this code. He can put on every screw and put it.
Yes.
From here to the eyes and the ears first. That's my art.
Can we trust you that much, you?
We won't be long.
I don't know your motive.
They don't toss me my 30 grand. I got a new sweet for you.
It's the plan. You want them to attack him.
Boss doesn't need to change your course.
Doesn't need to. He brought the cavalry.
Target the Reapers. Target everyone.
Yes.
Opening fire!
And now, Serenity, you have to escape.
I believe I'm a man. Watch how I saw.
Come on. Ah! No, it's Serenity, all of these explosions. Good job, Wash.
Jacket reads 20%. Can you guys stand? I'm gonna have to fly you ready. Will that work?
Yeah. You really want to exterminate that ship.
I'm a leaf on the wind. Watch out.
No way, they didn't kill Wash.
Where's Wash? He ain't coming.
That's right. Keep thinking on the bench. We're gonna get through this.
Do you really think any of us are gonna get through this?
No.
I know they
including her.
My one regret in all of this is never being with you.
Sex? Oh, look at this. I'm gonna live.
I'm still thinking of Wash.
Guy killed me now.
He killed me with a sword.
Fuck. Shh. Shut up, robot. No, 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 she's out, she's out, she's just out.
The truths that burned up Ruby Chan's brain. The rest of the verse is gonna know too. Because they need to.
Do you really believe that?
Yes.
I do.
You wanted to die for that belief?
Yes. What the shepherd said. In the end, remember? He has something to protect him. I'm desperate. Not for the mission, I think that they can succeed, but for their lives.
I'm gonna give you something. Like that.
No, no, no!
River.
He's not gonna rescue, he's gonna
Sorry.
tell you that, I know it.
Hate to
He won't. You take care of him.
That's why he did all of that.
My child.
Yes. Come on, River. Come on. Without any gun, without anything. The girl is screaming. She just sent the back, she did not have the time to...
I'm sorry. You've done remarkable things.
Piece of shrapnel tore up that nerve cluster my first tumor.
Ah,
I've moved.
so he can't paralyze you.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna show you a world without sin.
Because it's what we fought. There's been no war here.
You're still alive, River. Come on, girl, come on, girl.
Report. River?
She did it. No. Don't, River, don't. But Wash is dead. You can repair Serenity? No way. So good. Oh, so good also.
Your Broadway about Miranda has weakened that regime. They are not gone. I told them the towns are no longer a threat, but I think they know I'm no longer their man.
Take you down. Don't expect me to foolish. I'd kill you myself if you again. You won't.
It didn't exist before that.
Cause over clear for us.
It's not gonna exist after that either.
She stole our money. It's your flat trip.
You're talking about yourself also?
Ready to get out this seat? Back to civilized life?
Come on.
I don't know.
Good answer.
You're not gonna give it to me? Thank you! They're letting really open the things. If you want to have a second season, maybe.
You ride shotgun with me, help me fly.
That's the plan.
And you can work out.
You're gonna be the new pilot?
What the first rule of flying is? Well, I suppose you do, since you already know what I'm about to say.
But I like to hear you say it.
Love makes her home.
Storm's getting worse.
We'll pass through it soon enough. What was that?
No, no hidden scene. Okay. I think that I closed, you know, the muscles right there. Really, I'm feeling like that, like I need to open my chakra, you know, like yes, I think that I contracted myself during the end. I think that I'm gonna see that during the editing, you know, my body closing little by little. I wanted to have answers about the main story of the season of the show. It was a river, and I wanted to have answers about all of the other things, about Kylie and Simon, about Jane's development, about the shepherd's identity, about Inara and Mal's relationship, about all of that. I had my answers. I'm gonna come back to that later. And at the end, I wanted to have clues about their future, what it's gonna be, and we had it, but in a totally different way that I thought, because they opened, you know, the end, like it was not a full closure. They did little things to maybe prepare something else at the end, to open the discussion to maybe have a second season or a second movie, like we can do more. If you are letting us, we can do more. See, they didn't make peace with the Alliance, not everything is alright. The Alliance can still be after them, they can leave a lot of stuff. River is still River, she can still do weird stuff. Okay, we have Simon and Kylie having sex together, but it's just the beginning of their real relationship. We have Zoe. What is gonna happen to her now that she's without Wash? I'm gonna come back to that later. We didn't have Mal and Inara happening, so you know, it's still stuff that we can wait for, that we can want to have answer of, so maybe for a second season, a second movie. They're not gonna do it. Me watching that years after it was out, I'm sure of it, they're not gonna do it. But they opened the thing, so maybe it could happen. That's why some things are not closed entirely like I thought that it could be. Which is logical, in fact, with the way that it was out and all. For all of the things about not closing the Alliance situation and all, I'm all for it. But for not giving an answer, a conclusion to Mal and Inara's relationship, I wanted it, come on. It's almost like I deserve it. All of the viewers, they deserved it. At least, you know, a kiss. Maybe a kiss and something like, no, it never happened, we're gonna continue like it never happened. Okay, you know, I would have been okay with that. But not even a kiss? Okay, for the answers that they gave during the movie, all of the thing about River, you know, the Miranda situation, all of that interrogation about who was Miranda, what was Miranda, they played with that, you know, maybe Miranda is another personality of her, of River, but in fact no, that's a planet. What about that planet? Can we live on it or not? The fact that they had to cross the river's place and space more and after that what they discovered into that planet, about the truth about that place, the fact that they killed all of these persons, but also that they created the rivers, to have also the answer about that, how it happened, you know, with the rivers, how they were created, and also after that, after all of that, to have a conclusion for the rivers. They destroyed all of them in space and also on the ground. They think that River and Simon are dead, but it's not sure and all. That's what they did, you know, to open the discussion to maybe another season, another movie. I loved that answer because it was not easy, you know. I think that since the beginning they prepared that answer and really they could have give it to us during at least 2 or 3 seasons. Really, all of these answers, if you are thinking about how they can put it in a regular season, how they can present it, how they can resolve it, it could have been, yes, 2 or 3 seasons. Discover the planet, the truth about that planet and all. Really, it could have taken a lot of time. It's great that they did it into the movie, into that way, because it didn't seem easy because of the fact that they prepared that since a long time, they thought of it, and it was complex, you know, it was a complex story and all. And the fact that they were forced to do it into just 20 minutes, you know, of a movie and not 3 seasons, it was well done, because I didn't feel like they erased some things, they didn't talk about things that they wanted to talk about. I have the impression that they said everything that they wanted to say. They were maybe forced to do it in a shorter time, but they were not forced to erase things that they planned. That was great. And the answer, yes, is complex, is interesting, is also involving the Alliance and all of Mal's relationship, you know, with the Alliance, with the war, with seeing the truth about everything. It's really complex for the story, what it is. River is involved into that because she discovered the secret because of one of the key Parliament member, and Miranda, the planet, what it is, what they did into it for all of these people who died, but also the reverse, the fact that they wanted to hide that. All of that is very complex, but also how they discovered it, but also how they are telling the truth to everyone. Everything right there, I loved it. I truly loved it. We didn't have the answer about the shepherd's identity. It's suggested that he was into the military, that he was a part of all of this system, the Alliance. It's suggested, but we don't have his role. Maybe it would have been too much to present his role, because Mal would have reacted in a certain way and it would have changed maybe their relationship, and we needed their relationship to stay like that for after that, having that shock, you know, when we are discovering that the town is destroyed and that the shepherd is dying. Truly, when I saw, you know, that the shepherd was gonna die, I was sad, I was really sad, but in a way I was relieved, because I thought that we were gonna have at least one death during this movie, and I was almost like, that's it, that's the death that we're gonna have. It's a shepherd, it was the ally, the friend. Right there into that movie, it was the helper, you know, who wanted to have a normal life, a calm life, so it's even more shocking that he is the one who was killed, so it's really useful for the story, for the impact that it's gonna have on the characters. I was really like, okay, that's it, we have the death that we're supposed to have into that movie. And that's why to have Wash being killed like that, it was shocking for me because of how it happened. You know, it was meant to be a shock because it happened really quick, because his death, but also the timing after that with them discovering that he's dead, it's really a short time, so it was meant to be a shock for the characters and for the viewers. But it was a shock even more for me, because I was like, no, you're not supposed to die, that's it, we already have our death. Before that, the shepherd did that job, no? To kill Wash like that, I understand the fact that they did it, the writers, because it's logical with the situation, it's logical that during a mission like that, at least one of them is killed. It's well done because it's after a moment with Wash shining, you know, showing to everyone how great he is as a pilot and all. And with that sentence, it would have been okay, you know, to not kill him. Like they could have done it, they were not forced to kill him. I understand the logic behind that, I understand that they wanted to shock people, that they wanted to seem realistic with the situation, but with what the show was during all of this season, you know, all of the things that they survived to, like so many situations and also so many things, you know, they were hurt so much and all, like if all of that would have happened into a season, he wouldn't have died. Do you understand what I mean? Like, it was not the same mood for the writers, how they wrote the season and how they wrote that movie. It was not the same mood. Right there, they were okay to kill someone because it was the end. I would have loved for Wash to not die. For his character, who was so great. For the situation, for Zoe. I swear I thought that they were gonna do something like she's pregnant and all, because of that discussion that she had with Wash about having a baby. All of this movie, you know, how it was structured, built. It was really like, you know, you can really separate different moments of the movie to make at least 4 episodes. You know, you can make one episode with the beginning, with discovering all of them again, with River at the end doing the Miranda thing. After that, a second episode, River attacking them, you know, into the ship, all of that situation. After that, a third episode about discovering the truth about that planet. And after that, another episode, the final one, with the resolution of everything. And I have the impression that in the way that they wrote it, they really put chapters, you know, for the movie. It's really interesting. Maybe they thought of it, you know, they thought of when the movie was gonna be out on television, maybe when it was gonna be replayed on television, it could be cut into several episodes. I really saw it like that. The sound was always great into the show, always. But it was not the same kind of music. It was the same kind of sound effects, which were already great before and which were great also into the movie, but it was not the same music. It was less Western and more intense music. You know, it was not a mood music. They didn't play a lot with Western music and all of that like it was the case during the show. And for the picture, for that, it was good pictures into the show. Right there, it was great pictures. You know, great sound, good picture, great picture. You can see really the difference visually, the colors and the quality of the picture for itself, but also how it's done, how it's filmed. You can see that they put a lot of more money into it, which is bad in a way, because if they would have done that during the show, put all of that money for the quality of the picture and all of that, maybe the show would have had, you know, another chance. Like, it would have pleased more viewers, like the show would have lasted longer. Do you understand what I mean? If you are putting that quality of picture into a show, it's working really better, you know, it's giving something else to your show. It's convincing already people just by the eye. It's frustrating, you know, a little that they didn't do it into the show, because I think that for the viewers who could have discovered the show with that quality of picture, it could have been different, you know, they would have had maybe more viewers and all of that. Do you understand my logic right there? But it was great. Into this movie, it was great. I loved it. I cried a lot, more than I thought, because I didn't think that we were gonna lose Wash. And River also, at some point I thought that we were gonna lose River, which is weird because during the intro I said that the only one that I thought who could die, it would be River. And when she was maybe supposed to die, I was devastated. The girl is so cool, you know, her character is so cool. I'm glad that at the end she's still alive and she's a part of this crew and she's gonna be the new pilot. There is really a mentor relationship that can be created between her and Mal, which was already a little right there, you know, when that guy attacked Serenity and when River acted like she was Serenity. Do you remember that episode? At the end, we had a little of it between Mal and River, the beginning of a mentor relationship. That's great. For the two of them, that's great. Serenity, I'm so glad that we are keeping her. When they crashed, you know, into that place, I was so sure that Serenity was done, you know, like it was the end of Serenity. We couldn't repair it and all. I was really saying goodbye to Serenity during that moment. I think that I cried even during that moment because of that, because I thought that it was the end of the ship. So I'm so glad that at the end they repaired it and they are going away with it again. It's not the end of Serenity. For me, she's really a member of this crew, you know, Serenity. So I'm glad. But still, we lost 2 people. I'm not exhausted, and it's better that way because I need to watch 3 episodes right now of The Legend of Korra. I mean, I want to, but it was heavier, you know, that movie than I thought. Because it was different from the show for the mood of it. It was more intense, it was really heavier. I was fully into it like always, but I was really in tension. I said it at the beginning of this review. My muscles, you know, everything, I was like that. This movie, you know, for closing the show, closing that story and all, it's okay for me, it's satisfying me. I have the answers for the big questions that I wanted. I have the answers of most of the little questions that I wanted. Inara and Mal, that's gonna be really the only one that I'm gonna be frustrated about. But the other ones, you know, all of the other answers, they are okay for me, and for some of them more than okay. They were better than what I could have imagined, and for how it's done, the movie and all, it was really great. For me, it's really a good way to finish this story. The new characters, you know, that they bring for it and all, that villain who didn't have a name was great also. And I'm glad in a way that at the end he's not killed by Mal, because he's helping us after that, you know, but also because his story could be interesting. The fact that it doesn't exist like that, he doesn't have a name or anything, what he's gonna do after that. And he was great as a villain, and all of his psychology, all of his way of acting was so great. He was cool. For a villain, for the end, he was cool, because he was complex also. He was not fully a villain, he was someone who was doing his job. I liked the show, I liked the characters. No, I loved the characters. I'm glad for all of their ends, not for Zoe and Wash, but for the rest of them, I'm really glad. And you know, I mean, I'm not glad, but in a way, Wash, he had an honorable death, so I know that I'm gonna make peace with it. It's not gonna be a frustration, it's not gonna be something that I'm gonna be mad at. You know, I'm not gonna be mad at the writers because they did that. It's just not what I wanted, but it's an honorable death and they did it well and it was logical, so I'm gonna make peace with it. Just right now, it's rough. Okay, so it was the end for Firefly. You on Patreon, you chose that show for me to watch, so I hope that you liked that binge watching of Firefly with me. I don't know what is gonna be the next show, you know, La Casa de Papel is gonna come, The Walking Dead is back, so for now I'm not planning to watch another show. I hope, yes, that you liked that binge watching. If you can be interested, I watched other space show like that, like all of Battlestar Galactica. I binge watched everything, and I binge watched also all of the first seasons of The Expanse to be right on time for the 2 last ones. So if you can be interested by that for these space shows, and of course I'm reacting to other shows, go check my channel, all of the playlists. Maybe you can find one that you want to discover with me or that you are already watching. Maybe. It was great, it was cool, but it's the end for Firefly. So it's all for you and for me for today, forever for Firefly. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me you built a time machine?
Rain